Okay, this might be a little bit of a struggle today. Don't give up. Okay? Do not give up. Ask questions. Don't give up. Okay? Okay, you're going to convert units. Now, convert 2 feet to inches. Now, if you don't understand this very well, you just got to set it up. Right in the middle, I want you to put an equal sign, and I want you to make 2 lines. Okay? 12 inches equals 1 foot. Write that down. 12 inches with the label 1 feet, or 12 1 feet it says. I put feet. It should say foot, but it'll help you out with feet. Now, and write the words that go with them. Now on the other ratio, you're going to put the same thing. Inches and feet. It's got to be in the same way that this is. Okay? Now let's talk about this 2 up here. So again, whatever's down there, you're going to line that up on your first fraction or ratio. Look at this 2. It's 2 feet. So it's 2 feet. And we are finding the inches. That's what we're trying to figure out. Now, this is just like now making equals over here. Circle the one with the x, okay? So, you're going to put 1 times x. Now, you can't figure out what 1 times x equals, so you just leave it 1 times x. Okay. Now, outside you got 12 times 2. So 12 times 2 is 24. Now, you just got to get rid of the times, so you're going to divide by 1 to get rid of the times 1. And 24 divided by 1 is 24. Problem solved. Okay? Circle that. Now put your 24 above the x, because it's 24 inches is 12 feet. Okay? Now, next one. Convert 3 gallons to quarts. There are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. Put an equals and then make the 2 lines. So, put 4 quarts, 1 gallon. Now, put the words in the same order. Quarts, gallons. 3 gallons, so I put 3 with gallons, and I put x with quarts, because that's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Now, circle the one with the x, a circle with the x. So 1 times x, I can't figure that out. So over here I just put 1 times x. Now 4 times 3, 4 times 3 is going to be 12, okay? So 1 times x equals 12. So you divide by 1 again. Gets rid of the times 1. 12 divided by 1 is 12. That's my answer. So put 12 right there. Okay, next one. Convert 48 inches to feet. There's 12 inches, 1 foot. Okay. So 12 inches, 1 feet. 1 feet. Okay. Inches, feet. You have to put your words, okay? You write that down with the words and then just copy the words over here from over here. So 48 inches, okay? So 48 inches and then x feet. Now it's a little bit different, but that's okay. Circle, do the circle with the x, okay? So 12 times x. Now, again, I can't figure that out, so I put, because I don't know what number x would be. And that 1 times 48. 1 times 48 is 48. So 12 times x equals 48. Now, I divide by 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. So put a 4 with your X on that ratio right there. 12 inches 1 foot equals 48 inches 4 feet. Convert 48 feet to yards. I didn't give you much room here. I apologize. Okay. So put 3 feet. You got to put the word with it. Okay. 1 yard. Then feet, yards. And we have 48 feet. So 48 goes with feet. And then X yards. Okay. So circle the diagonal with the X. So 3 times X. Okay, I can't figure that out, so on this side I just put 3 times X. Okay, 1 times 48. 1 times 48 equals 48. Okay. Now I divide by 3. Okay, 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, so you have 16 yards. Okay, next problem. Convert 16 pints to quarts. There are 2 pints equals 1 quart. So 2 pints, 1 quart. Then, same words, same order. Okay, you have 16 pints. How many quarts would go with that? So, 2 times X. Obviously you can't multiply that, so you put 2 times X. And then 1 times 16. Or 16 times 1, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's 16. 16. Then it's easy from there. I divide by 2. It's 8. Okay, just put an 8 right below your X. Convert 3 pounds to ounces. 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So we're just going to look at this. And just copy that. 16 ounces, 1 pound. And then the same words in the same order. Same words, same place. Now we have 3 pounds. We're trying to figure out how many ounces we have out of the 3 pounds. Okay, so 1 times X. Now I got to leave that just 1.x. Okay. And then 16.3 or 3.16. It doesn't matter. Because you're going to get the same thing either way. 48. And then divide by 1. 48 divided by 1 is 48. So just put a 48 with your X, and that's the answer. Convert 64 ounces to pounds. 16 ounces equals 1 pound. Remember, this is what you're concerned with to start with. 16 ounces, 1 pound. And then put the labels in the same place, the words in the same place, in the same order. 64 ounces. X pounds. Because that's the answer to the problem. Okay. So 16 times X. We can't figure that out. Okay. Remember, when you're doing the letter, you put the number before the letter. Okay. When you have 2 numbers, It's 1 and 64, it doesn't matter the order. Okay, and that's 64. So we divide by 16. Okay, 64 divided by 16 is 4. So 4 pounds. Convert 5 yards to feet. Sorry about the small workspace. So 3 feet, 1 yard. Right small. And then feet, yard. Okay, we have 5 yards. So 5 x feet. Okay, so we take 1 times x, put the number before the letter because it looks better that way. That's how we're used to seeing it here. And then 3 times 5, or 5 times 3. It's 15. Then I divide by 1. And 15 divided by 1 is 15. So 15 feet.